Hi, it's Frank Del Rio with Coldwell Banker. We're out here in the city of Anaheim today at one of our newest listings. You're standing out front. You're sitting on a 6,600 square foot lot. Beautiful front grass area loaded with palm trees, roses. I mean, just the front itself is very inviting. And then when you get inside, you are gonna be amazed at the space this home offers. Come in, check it out. Okay, welcome home. This property is comprised of 1,683 square feet. It is big. It feels bigger than that. It feels close to 2,000, but that's besides the point. You've got a nice open living room, freshly painted interior, plush carpet just bleeds all throughout the property. And then you've got these beautiful dual pane windows that allow that natural sunshine to just pour on inside. Not everybody does the traditional living space. You know, today you're seeing the office, the kids' play area. You have plenty of room to do both. And then you come over into the kitchen area. You've got the direct garage access right from the kitchen. So it's awesome when you pull in with the groceries, boom, you're right in the kitchen where everything goes, right? More importantly, you're in your home. The kitchen space is really interesting because it's an open plan. Very rare for the homes built in the 50s here in Anaheim. You had more of a condensed kitchen with the cabinets up here so it felt tighter. You don't get that with this space. You got the tile countertops, the backsplash, the 4-burner stove, and then you have all this cabinetry, but you have this really cool breakfast bar area. This is where the meals are gonna be placed, right? You've got some bar stools down here you'll be putting in to hang out, enjoy food, enjoy conversation, the whole thing. And then opens up into the big family room here. I mean, this really is the great room of great rooms for this property. Okay, you've got the fireplace that takes center stage, opens up into the backyard, but I mean, look at all this space. You already know the television is going mounted here, and then you've got the setup with the couches, the bar stools, more seating area over here, the ceiling fan. It's nice and open and bright here. You could do a lot with this space. Stay with me. Let's say you don't do the family area. You do that in your living room. This could also be the kids' play area. You could make this the game room, right? You could have a big pool table set up. Whatever it is you want to do, you have the space and the opportunity to do that with. It goes into, our clients were using this 4th bedroom, believe it or not, as the dining room area, but you have your closet space in here. So the door that was here, they opened it up. This was a long time ago, guys. You can close this back up and use it as a true 4-bedroom where there's no wall here, or a small access, however you choose to do. But let me take you this way instead. I'm gonna pull a fast one on you. Let's come back around to the living room area so we can take you through to the bedrooms. You've got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The bedrooms are a good size. You've got ceiling fans, you've got dual pane windows, and it's the perfect space for a big family or a growing family. I want you to check the bedrooms and then I'll meet you outside in the backyard. Fair enough? Have fun. Did you enjoy the interior? A lot of space, right, to play with. I am sure you noticed that every bedroom window had a air conditioning unit. That's because the home is not, doesn't have central cooling, but it does have central heating. So in the future, if you wanted to add the actual AC condenser, real easy peasy to do. It connects right into all the ducts and you're good to go. The clients here before were fine with their window units that they had. It's really, up to you if you want to do that or not. Let's talk about the backyard. You've got a nice covered patio area. Picture it, okay? You've got the table set up here, having fun. You could do indoor, outdoor entertaining. This space is set up for it. You can put the tea lights up top, really have fun with this. Got a nice side yard over here. And then look at the fruit trees. You got mature orange trees, Meyer lemon trees, and then just got this beautiful arrangement of roses with your planter that go all along the side of the wall. And then look at all this grass area. Beautiful, plush green grass. You got ficus trees for the shade. I mean, it's really a perfect space back here to have fun with, enjoy, entertain. Could you put a pool in? Probably not. There's just not enough space for it. Or you could be imaginative and have a small one. You could put a spa if you really wanted to. You've got a shed area here. But what I enjoy about this space is it's, you know, private, but yet open too. You really can just hang out here and relax. That's what I love about this backyard space. You can have a lot more fun with it as well. So on top of the backyard, the bedrooms, the baths, right? The open floor plan that you get with this property, you really get a lot more with the lifestyle and the location of this home. I mean, you have to understand, you're centrally located to all the schools, both public and private. You've got parks steps away. You're a couple of minutes from both the 91 freeway and the 5 freeway. If that's not enough for you, right? You still have everything at your disposal that comes with the Orange County lifestyle. The beaches, right? Amusement parks. I mean, Disney is literally 9 minutes away. California Adventure, downtown Disney, right? That's all close proximity. You've got Angel Stadium, you've got the Honda Center, that's another 13 minutes away. So location-wise is awesome. On top of that, let's say, okay, I'm not gonna do all that stuff. You've got some great restaurants and foodie spots here from local businesses that are just gonna keep you fed and full if you don't wanna cook here at home. You know, you got the packing district, the packing house, right? You got Hobbs Barbecue, it's one of our favorites. You can go there and get some delicious food. You've got, if you're feeling Italian, you've got Cortina's Italian Market with all the best food and treats and ingredients, everything you need to make your own Italian dinner. You got La Reina Market right down the street too. That's like, I think 4 minutes away. You can go get your carne asada, you can get fresh tortillas, you can get pan, I mean the whole bit, and have a big party here. That's what's fun about this home. You're not only getting a great property in an awesome neighborhood, but just the extra auxiliary services that come with living out here, or the lifestyle, if you will. And I just think it's just a great value. And to get a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, just under 1,700 square feet right now is almost unheard of. So as you know, in this marketplace right now, things are moving fast. There's no reason this home won't either. So connect with me if you want to see it in person, because this property will be gone in a blink. 714-335-0844. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care.